I'm presenting as a certified athletic trainer, and I'm talking to coaches, certified athletic trainers, and personal trainers or strength coaches. About me, I participated in competitive sports my entire life, so I know what it's like to be an athlete. I volunteered as an athletic trainer, so I know what it's like to take care of athletes and what they look like at their best and at their worst. And I also took a nutrition class to understand the importance of nutrition. What to expect out of this? Expect to learn the importance of nutrition on the brain, especially the brain of an athlete, not just physically, but mentally, and then get tips on how to implement good nutrition on your athletes' lives. The importance of this: an athlete needs proper cognitive function in order to perform at their best. An athlete's nutritional choices can be detrimental to their performance and the way that they think on the court or the field. An athlete's mental game is equally as important to their physical game, and this can be determined by their nutrition. It's often overlooked that nutrition is just for the physical aspect, but it can also affect a person mentally and emotionally. Some strategies for this: you can send out weekly nutritional emails to your athletes, so telling them the importance of their nutrition and why it's important to eat the foods that they should be eating, sending out healthy grocery lists to give them idea of what they should be eating, and having potlucks with athletes, so calling them in and making your favorite healthy meals or having them share some of theirs, and sending them why it is important to them. So some research articles or things that you know, sending that out to your athletes so that they understand the importance. Practical application. So an example, you can send out an email telling them, hi athletes, like this is how you can incorporate some nutrition into your diet. So something like almonds or nuts or dry fruits before a game to give you energy and focus. I'm going to explain to them why those foods would be beneficial to them. Impact on physical health. These are more of the obvious things. So nutrition gives an athlete the physical energy, it decreases fatigue so they can perform better for longer, it assists in muscle growth, and it helps repair tissue. And some things that are kind of overlooked would be the impact on mental and emotional health. So dopamine is produced with good nutrition. This helps with memory. So athletes need to remember their plays or different things on the court or the field, their energy levels. Amino acids regulate thoughts and feelings. Carbohydrates can help with brain metabolism, so keeping them focused and energized longer. Retaining information. Proteins and fats regulate thoughts and feelings. And then omega-3 supplements have been proven to treat anxiety and depression. Another thing would be that it helps with gut health. So this kind of goes hand in hand with both physical and mental. So gut health is also linked to the brain's health. 95% of the body's serotonin is produced in gut bacteria. So if you have good gut health, you'll have better brain health. Recap. Overall, it's important for your athletes to have good nutrition. Not only does it help them physically, but it helps them mentally with their sport. Mental and emotional health is extremely important in athletic performance. If you want your athletes to be successful in what they do, you'll spread this information to them. They deserve to have the good tools to become the best versions of themselves, and their nutrition is not only important to them physically, but mentally and emotionally, which will also help them in their sport.